حقيقة راديو
Hello and welcome to week 15 on Radio Kai. We are playing the best music from the city to today.
This week here on Radio Kai, we'd like to introduce a brand new feature to our listeners this week. This week, if you pay attention on the back of your sheet this week, there is a movie quiz. The class winner will be revealed in the mystery voice and guess the year answers. Also packed up today with our usual features, such as the mystery voice, where we play 5 different voices and you have to guess which voices they are. And we got Osham today with the birthdays. Unfortunately, Ethan's not here again this week with his transports. So Bath Transport will be back in due course. Also, we got news and sports with Max and Peter. And also we have our weekly interview this week. This week's special guest is Corey Smith from Cape Guy.
The first song this week is Nice to Meet You by Milo Smith.
Miles Smith there here on Radio Kybe. Now we are moving on to our mystery voice quiz. This is where we play out five different voices and they have to guess which voices they are.
Here comes the mystery voice.
Mystery voice. Mystery voice.
Here's our first voice, starting us off at number 1.
I never wanted to be a rock and roll star. I never, honest God, I wasn't even there.
It's the second mystery voice of the week.
Well, no, not really. I had a great faith in New York. Primarily, our purchases have been in New York, and about 5 years ago, New York.
Voice number 3 for this week.
I remember Jason on Top of the Pops, and I remember it for one reason, and that's that I was trying to be a pop star at the time, and it felt like that's who I want to be. I didn't want to be him. I wanted...
Here's our fourth voice for this week.
Oh, actually when I turned it into the record label, they didn't even want to put it on the record.
Really?
No, they didn't think it was a hit. And of course my blood was a little boiling, but I said, this'll boil.
And here's our 5th and final voice for this week.
How do we choose what made the cut? I think after time, I was in a kind of a weird place, so the music I was making was kind of reflecting that. And I just wanted to make music that...
Hope you got the voice of that. The next song is Circle of Life by Elton John. Hope you enjoy it.
We arrive on the planet and blinking step into the sun. There's more to be seen than can ever be seen, more to do than can ever be done. Some say eat or be eaten, some say live and let live. But all I agree is to join the stampede. You should never take more than you give in the circle of life. It's the wheel of fortune. It's the leap of faith. The band of hope to find our place on the path that winding in the circle of life. Some of us fall by the wayside, of the sword to the stars. And some of us sail through our trouble. Some have to live with the scars. There's far too much to take in here, or to find that can never be found. But the sun rolling high through the sapphire sky keeps grading some more of the endless ride in the circle of life. Is the wheel of fortune? It's the leap of faith. Is the band of hope? We'll find our place on the path unwinding, the circle of life is the wheel of fortune, yeah. It's the leap of faith. It's the band of hope. We'll find our place on the path unwinding, yeah. In the circle of life. On the path unwinding, yeah. In the circle of life.
The last song was Circle of Life by Elton John. Now we got the birthdays.
It's your birthday. Happy birthday.
He is a rock singer and a drummer and a vocalist. He is also a guitarist who first rose Tom prominency as the drummer of Nirvana, and he is 55 years old. Then went on becoming founder and lead singer of Foo Fighters in 1989. Anyone knows who's that? Before fame, he began to play the guitar at the age of 12. 12? Wow, I can't do that. And discovered punk rock through his cousin a year later. He played drummer for Jack Black and Tenor Crosby as Dr. D and appeared as Saturn in the music video in the Tenor Crosby song Tribute. He had 3 children, Violet, Harper, Willow and Ophelia Saint, with Jordan Blum, whom he married on August 2nd, 2003. He was previously married to Jennifer Youngblood from 1989 to 1997. In September 2024, he announced he had a child outside of his marriage to Blum. He rose to fame by playing drums with Kurt Cobain and Nirvana. Songs was My Hero, Oh Me, All Apologies, Lean to Fly, Best of You, Song for the Dead, In Bloom, No One Knows, and lots more. He is from Waterrun. He was playing for Foo Fighters, Nirvana, Queens of the Stone Age, Scream, Them Crocked Vultures, Dane Brams, Probots, Sound City Players, and Monday Generator, and much more. Second of this week is he is a DJ who became known for his gold certified. I created a disco, and he is 40 years old. He held the singles of A Kepan Table in the 80s and The Girl, his second album, Ready for the Weekend, containing the hit single I'm Not Alone and hit number 1 on the UK album chart at the 2014 American Music Awards. He won Favourite Electric Dance Music Artist, well done you. He aspired to become a professional football player. He began producing electronic music as a teenager. Wow, well done you. Doing that as a teenager, it must be very, very achievable. He has worked with Kesha and Kyle Minogue. He broke the record for the most UK top 10 singles from one album. Well done you again. He was born Adam Richard Eilers in Dumfries, Scotland, and raised with an older brother and older sister. He began making musical tracks, which he was living with his parents from 2015 to 2016. He dated country star Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift and Calvin Harris. Wow. He also previously dated pop star Rita Ora. Oh, you kidding? Rita Ora, Calvin Harris, and model Ariak Wolf. Associated with, he won an MTV Video Music Award for his 2012 collaboration with Rihanna, We Found Love. Oh, all of these artists is very good. I listen to it once in a while. It's really good. His song is I Need Your Love, Outside Summer, This Is What You Came For, How Deep Is Your Love, My Way, and lots more. Number 3 of this week is he is a saxophonist. He is a saxophonist for Bruce Springsteen, and he is 89 years old. He was an American saxophonist, and he's 86 performer known for his smooth saxophone playing with the Air Street Band for more than 13 years. Or should I say, not A Street Band, I'll just tell you what it is, the boss, Bruce Springsteen. He started playing saxophone at the age of 9. Later he attended Maryland State College and played football, during which a car accident prevented him from trying out for the Dallas Cowboys. He has appeared on more than 50 albums with artists including Bruce Springsteen, Told You So, Lady Gaga, Told You So, and Aretha Franklin. He married 5 times throughout his life. His last marriage was to Victoria Clemens from 2008 before he died. He was a long-time member of Bruce Springsteen Air Street Band, as well as one of his close friends, Bruce Springsteen, the boss. The 4th birthday for this week is she is a country singer, and she is a country singer, and she is 78 years old. And she is a country singer who released 26 numbers Billboard hits, including Jolene, Coat of Many Colours, and 9 Till 5. She grew up alongside 11 brothers, sisters in a one-room cabin. Oh my God. In Appalachia, Tunisia. She learned to sing at church. She lives in Locust Ridge, Tunisia. And she learned to sing at a church. She received the nickname of the Queen of Country Music after releasing more number hits than any other countries in the US history. She married Carl Dane on May 30th in 1966 after meeting him in a laundromat in 1964. She composed the hit song I'll Always Love You, which Whitney Houston would later cover. My favourite song from this artist is Island in a Stream. And also, she sang Island in a Stream with Kenny Rogers. The last of this week is he's a race car driver, or for some of you, it's F1 driver. He's 44 years old. He's from Frame, England. Wherever is that? I've never been that place before.
No, we haven't been there either, no.
He is famous British Formula 1, and also Lewis Hamilton is an F1 driver. He's a British Formula 1 racing driver and who was the 2009 Formula 1 World Champion. He signed with McLaren in 2010. He did not pass his first driving on account of being too close to a parked car. He began kart racing at the age of 8. He and his 3 sisters were raised by their mum in Frome, England. After their parents' divorce, he was previously engaged to singer Louise Griffiths until 2005. He was married to Jessica Mickey Bata from 2014 to 2015. 1 year, kidding me. He's married to Brittany Ward and they have a son and a daughter. He joined Lewis Hamilton, Told You So, on McLaren in 2010. And he has a car number 22. He entered 309 to 306 star championship. Wow, that's good. 1,000,000,2009 and a win 15. Well done you, I would say to that. This is a quiz answers, birthday quiz answers. Basically, you have to guess who is it on the birthdays, and then I'll say it now, who is it on the answers. First of this answers is Dave Grohl, a rock singer, that I told you earlier on in the show. Second of this week is Calvin Harris, and he is a DJ. He is in love with Taylor Swift, Rita Ora, 2 of my favourite artists, Taylor Swift and Rita Ora. Really like them, it's really good. Third one of this week is Clemens. He is obviously a Bruce Springsteen saxophonist. Before he died in 18th of June 2011. Oh well, I'm sorry to hear about your loss. Last but not least of this week is Dolly Parton, country singer. She lives in Locust Ridge, Tunisia. Apparently, people say on the birthdays, famous sites. That's where I am searching every week. It's birthday on the famous site on Google. That's what it is. Famous song is 9 Till 5, Jolene, Island in a Stream, and lots more. The last one for this week is Jenson Button. He lives in Frome, England. Never heard of that place, but there you are. Him and his place. He is a Formula 1 racing driver with Lewis Hamilton. Okay, that's all we got from this birthday this week. The next song is gonna be Island in a Stream by Kenny Rogers plus Dolly Parton. Enjoy the song. See you next week.
Baby, when I met you, there was peace unknown. I set out to get you with a fine-tooth comb. I was soft inside. There was
transport again this week due to Ethan being recovering from his ear operation, as we heard. So in replacement for this week, we're doing like a movie quiz. This is a special quiz. If you looked at the back of the old radio sheets, okay, there was a quiz, wasn't there, boys?
Yeah.
It was.
Yeah.
Hope you enjoy it.
Yeah. So we're going to reveal the top 8 winners, okay? So number 8 is
Canavina.
Okay.
Plus music.
And number 7 was gone.
Habad.
Yeah. And number 6 was Dwinwin. And number 5, Don.
KNR.
And number 4, Sean.
And number 4 is Kane Turn.
Yes. And number 3, Glenn.
Habad.
And number 2, Sean.
It's Carol Die. Well done, you.
And drum roll for number 1, everyone. And the winner of this movie quiz for this week is Canol Lane. Congratulations, Canol Lane, for having how much points, Sean?
It is 14 that Carol Ian had this week. Well done. I hope you enjoy it this week.
One day more, another day, another destiny, this never-ending road to Calvary. These men who seem to know my crime will surely come a second time, one day
I did
more.
not live until today. How can I live when we are parted?
One day more.
Tomorrow you will be worlds away. And yet with you my world has started.
One more day all on my own.
Will we ever meet again?
One more day with him not caring.
I was born to be with you.
What a life I might have known.
And I swear I will be true.
But he never saw me there.
One more day before the storm.
Do I follow where she goes?
At the barricades of freedom.
Shall I join my brothers there?
When our ranks begin to fall.
Do I stay and do I dare?
Will you take your place with me?
The time is now. The day is here.
One day more to revolution. We will nip it in the bud. I will join these little schoolboys. They will wet themselves with blood.
Watch 'em run amok, catch 'em as they fall. Never know your luck when there's a free-for all. Here a little dip, there a little touch. Most of them are gone, so they won't miss much.
One little new beginning.
Raise the flag of freedom high.
Every man will be a king.
Every man will be a king.
There's a new world for the winning.
There's a new world to be won. Do you hear the people sing? My place is here. I fight with you.
One day I will join these peoples here. I will follow where they go. I will learn their little secrets. I will know the things they know. On the way to revolution, we'll be ready for these schoolboys.
Tomorrow is the judgment day. Tomorrow we'll discover what
One Day More by the Welsh of the West End. And that was voted by the all-time favourite song from a musical by BBC Radio 2 listeners. Now we are moving on to our Guess the Year quiz. Is where we say facts from the year and you have to guess which year it is.
Guess the year.
Developer Woody. So first of all, this week, the biggest song of this year was Betty Gave Us His Eyes by Kim Carnes, a cashew pop rock song with a memorable chorus. This song showcased Carnes' raspy vocals and became an instant hit, spreading 9 weeks at number 1 on the Billboard Hot 100 charts. Also this year, the purchase of the Times, the Sunday Times, also from the Thomson Corporation, and it was purchased by Rupert Murdoch. News International is confirmed. Murdoch also announced that the arrangement with the unions has been reached out, manning levels and new technology.
The Queen opened the final wave of the shopping centre. Lily adapted after a visitor again. Birthday now one of the largest indoors shopping centre in Europe in the new town.
Also this year, Depeche Mode released their debut album, Speak and Spell. And finally this year, British Leyland launched the Triumph Acclaim of a 4-door Smalley salon built in collaboration with Japanese car and motorcycle giant Honda at the Cowley plant in Oxford. It's based on the Japanese Honda Ballade, not available in Britain, as a front-wheel drive and is powered by a 1.3 litre of 70 bhp petrol engine, and it's between a Ford Escort and a Ford Cortina in terms of size. And that's all we have for Guess the Year this week, and our next song here now is Orgama Ganguilin.
Galon ben dy hun o fy ngwaliau. Ma'n rhaid bod mwy i'r lliw na'r llun. Ma'n rhaid bod mwy na hwyl parad dwi stam dy groen. Pan fel difrod ti ar dy draed. Pan ddaw dy awr gwell dwi lwcoch na dwi lwc gwaed. Daw dy eni O Gymru, rhoddi ti fy mywyd o walia, walia. Ti yw fy mwynfyd o Gymru, rhoddi ti fy mywyd o walia, walia. Fy heilwen ti o fy ngwalia. Cliw y dorf yn canu, can o fawl amdana ti. Cliw y credu, oes ystyr dan ysgrifen ar y mur. Wrth i guriad fy nghalon fynd yn hyn o fy ngwalia. A lliw y llynian oll gytun. Ma'n rhaid rhoi gorau brad i tafod a weindydd. O Gymru, rhoddi ti fy mywyd o walia, walia. Ti yw fy mwynfyd o Gymru, fy mywyd o walia, walia. Ti ydw fy ngwynfyd o Gymru, Rhofi ti fy mywyd o walia, walia. Fy heilwyr ti.
The last song was O Gymru by Gwilym. I hope you enjoyed that song. Now we got news around school.
News from around the school.
Oh, unfortunately, Ethan won't be here with us this week. So he'll be back next week, probably. Yeah, so until Ethan comes back, I'll be doing news around the school from now on. I hope you enjoy news around the school. First, from the news around the school is Aran yn cael mynd I Euro Disney I fewn sio. Chris Aran yn canol 2. Da iawn wir. We're really jealous. Disney was a really good play. I've been there a few years back. Don't ask me when, because I forgot. In Disneyland, there's lots of rides. There's a lot of restaurants, and there's a lot of, maybe, I don't know, there's more like ride stuff like Haunted House. Maybe there's more Disney rides there now. Maybe there's Hook the Duck there now. Probably there is lots of improvements there now since I was being there before. I haven't been there for a while, so probably there's lots of improvement there. So yeah. Oh, also probably there's a lot of shops there. There's Disney in Florida, and there's Disney in Paris, France, and I don't know, maybe there's more, but that's all I know. Aintree is going to Bangor to do Fran Wen on Thursday. I hope Aintree enjoy it. Do you, Dion and Dolan, going to be enjoying it?
Yes. Yeah. We hope we're going to enjoy it.
Glad to hear. Aintree is going to Arief Valley on Friday. I hope you enjoy it.
Yes, we will. And also we'll be having hot dogs, sausages and chips as well. Looking forward to that.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. Thank you very much.
And I hope the rest of the Aintree gang is looking forward to that as well.
Yes. And some of Cyntai. Apparently, dwi wedi cael carpad newydd o Peter Lee Carpet dim off dwytha. Diolch yn fawr iawn, Peter Lee Carpet o Llangefni, o Llaesau. Diolch yn fawr iawn, Dion.
Croeso, you're welcome.
Because Dion's uncle is working there. What's his name, Dion?
Tony.
Thank you, Tony, or wherever had the carpet from Peter Lee. They've done a good job. Well done, I would say to that. Congratulations, and thank you for the carpet. I am enjoying the carpet. It is nice. One thing is, it's not dirty anymore, the carpet. It's nice and clean. Everyone knows who's Max is doing the sport with Peter, right? Well, Max's brother is moving house to apparently to Bangor. I hope you're really settled into your new house, Max brother, and you will enjoy the new house with no Max troublemaker around. Because he's going to enjoy his house. He's going to be having his whole room to himself. Apparently, he's going to be getting Everton stuff out of your room, apparently. And also, there is rugby this week, as usual. On Wednesday, it's free of charge, and it is 3:15 till 4:15. But the downer is your parents have to stay with you. Oh well.
And these sessions are run by Jason Craig.
Thank you, Dion, for telling us that, because I forgot to say that. Well done. Now, if you want to come, it's on Wednesday. Last but not least, like people say, is dwi'n mynd I weld Ellen Fleur Gwilym and Berwick on Saturday. And Poncho, if anyone come in, well done, because it's really, really, really good. Now, the next song is going to be penned by Alvin Starters, apparently. Christian and Dolan likes that song. I never heard of that group. But, well done you for new music in Radio Archive this week, Dion and Dolan. Congratulations.
Pretend you're happy when you're blue. It isn't very hard to do. And you will find happiness without an end if you pretend. Remember, anyone can dream, and nothing's bad as it may seem. The little things you haven't got could be a lot if you pretend. You'll find a love you can share, one you can call your own. Just close your eyes, you'll be there. You'll never be alone. And if you sing this melody, you'll be pretending just like me. The world is mine, it can be yours, my friend. So why don't you pretend? One you can call your own. Just close your eyes, you'll be there. You'll never be alone. And if you sing this melody, you'll be pretending just like me. The world is mine, it can be yours, my friend. So why don't you pretend? So why don't you pretend? So why don't you pretend?
That was attended by Alvin. I've got the Mickey Boy answers. Guess the year answers.
Okay, so this year was 1981, if you got that year correctly. And our mystery voices were David Bowie, he is a singer. Donald Trump, he is a current president of the United States of America. And we got Gary Barlow, who is a member of Take That. And Katy Perry, who is also a singer. And our final mystery voice for this week, drum roll boys. Final mystery voice answer for this week was Justin Bieber. And the next song here now is Amar Heard gan David Iwan.
Does neb yn ei nabod o. Mae 1,600 o flynyddoedd yn amser hir i'r po. Ond aeth Magnus Maximus o Gymru yn y flwyddyn 303 a'n gadair yn gened i'w gofal a heddiw
Good morning. Kate Bellamy has 2-1 Wales. I'm not all here, you sons of speed.
Hey, you just heard there, Amal Heard gan Gavu V1. We're on Radio Kybe. Now here's your latest updates, which is going on around the world for this week. So, more than 85,000 people here in Wales broke the 20 miles per hour rules in 2024. And that is shocking. That is pretty shocking news, isn't it, Dylan?
Yeah.
And Noshan.
Yes, it is.
I know it is, yeah?
Yeah.
So, also we just got some sad news coming in today that Linda Nolan passed away peacefully at the age of 65. She sadly passed away peacefully on Wednesday morning in hospital, and you may recognise her as one of the members of the Nolans. You know, hits such as I'm in the mood for dancing. Do you know that one?
Yeah.
Any of you?
I'm in the mood for dancing. Yeah.
Yeah, that one, yeah. Also today, BP is set to cut for 407,000 jobs to reduce costs. The British firm, which has a global workforce of about 9,000 people, confirmed job losses on Thursday, but has not said how many roles will be affected in each country it operates in. That's all your latest news updates for now. We are moving on to Max and Peter with your sports updates for today. Take it away, Max and Peter.
Thank you, dear, for the this week. And here are his stores.
My name's Max.
Hi, I'm Peter. We're going to talk about the stock news. This week, the stock news, we have other services have shop, baby goods, and Lady Georgia is released the manager that hope that's now start to win. This also has the wait time for boxing have used to be the champion of the world. Now, New Hampshire will be trying for the fifth Ferrari next year, but they will still lost to Red Bull. Sorry, Ethan.
Sorry, Ethan. Red Bull says Lando Norris is best.
First Ringo will either before is now over, and my team will have made a new site by saying the Ranger America from Rum. Before they go to Massacres and Second Town, you're going
to Villa have a new player called Dia Moore from Netherlands.
That's it. The start of this week. So say goodbye to me, Peter.
Bye from Max.
So is the salty. Salty.
So we just heard Zombie there by the Cambries here on Radio Card. Now we are moving on to our interview for this week.
Getting to know you, getting to know all about you.
So this week's special guest here today is Corey from Kate Sky. Hello Corey, how are you doing today?
I'm doing alright, thanks. How are you?
Doing good, thanks.
Good, thanks.
Good fun.
Okay, so our first question here for you today is, what is your favourite song to play on the piano?
Oh, good question. Do you mind pausing there? Okay, my favourite song to play on piano is The Entertainer by Scott Joplin. It's really good.
Without choosing the piano, which instrument do you like to play?
Oh, thanks for that. I'd love to play bass.
Ooh, bass.
It's really crunchy, like when you play it. I always love bass. It's a very crunchy instrument when you play it. It's very smooth. Thanks for the question.
What is your favourite type of music?
Oh, I love a lot of different things. I'm into country right now.
Country?
Yeah, and a bit of soul. Yeah, it's cool.
Those are good music formats, aren't they?
Yeah.
Is it genre you're talking about?
What?
Let me see. Favourite type of music?
Yeah.
That's like a genre. It's the same thing anyway.
Yeah.
Well.
So we've heard that you've done 2 Eurovision Gables. How did they go, Corey?
Really good. I got first place in the Bangor one, and then over the some holiday or something, and around May, I did another Estevos. Miss Hughes was there, and I think Jane as well. We were playing Mystery Earth, I think. Yeah. And I think we got 2nd place.
Whoa.
Well done, you,
Well
Corey.
done, Corey.
Well done, Corey.
Yeah.
How long have you been playing the piano?
2 years.
Wow. That's not a long time ago now.
Wow. What is your favourite subject to do at school, Corey?
This is a very easy answer, thanks for that. Music, of course.
Our 7th question we got here for you is, who is your favourite singer and why?
Teddy Swims. I met this guy at a concert.
Yeah.
Back in November last year.
Yeah.
He's got this song called Lose Control, if you haven't heard.
Yeah, we heard that, haven't we?
Yeah. Amazing song. And The Door. Can we do the Y one next?
And why do you like Teddy Swims?
Because of his nice voice.
And you played any instrument and then piano?
Yeah, can play ukulele.
Oh, what songs can you play on the ukulele?
What's it called? My dog has fleas or something.
So we did that one, didn't we?
Yeah.
Did we also?
Yeah, we did.
We did that.
Yeah, we did, didn't we, Dion?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We did that once in music, didn't we?
Yeah.
How was it in Ysgolgyfyn and why, Corey?
Good question. It's going good. I've done 2 exams while I'm there. Got a B last year, and then this year it's a bit different. Got a D, but we're going to redo it, and hopefully I'll get an A.
Well done, you,
well
Corey.
done, you, Corey.
Well done, Corey.
That's a good achievement, isn't it?
Yeah, well done.
Yeah.
Awesome.
We also heard that you will be leaving Kybe this year. And what would you like to do for leaving this year?
I've got a few good ideas. I'll be going to college in over there somewhere. Next to us.
In Pencraig?
That's over there
Is-
somewhere.
Yeah.
Is it-
Yeah, that's the one.
Yeah.
Whatever it is, I'm going there to do some life skills.
Yeah.
Then I'm going to Bangor College to do music.
Oh, nice.
I've already had a taster session there, so it's quite good.
Wow. Also, Dylan's leaving. Dylan Martin and Kate Tree's also leaving this year as well.
True.
Have you got any plans for your leaving ceremony yet?
Not yet. We'll be getting something, I think.
Yeah.
song do you want to finish off?
Okay, the song I'm going to finish off this week is Phineas for Crying Out Loud.
Oh, okay. That's a song we haven't had before, no, boys?
No. That song is new in Radio Carb this week.
Yeah.
Yes.
Our second new song this week.
Yeah.
So we're going to end off with For Crying Out Loud by Phineas.
Yes.
Okay. So we will see you next week for another edition of Radio Carb. Thank you, Corey, for having us on.
Oh, lovely to see you guys.
Thank you, Corey.
Thank you, Corey.
And we'll see you next week for another edition of Radio Carb. Bye.
Maybe it's me, or maybe it's you. Maybe I never learned my lesson. Someone to see, someone to soothe, someone to answer all your questions. I don't know what to tell you. Maybe I never knew. Not trying to make you jealous, but it looks so good on you. Been stuck on elevators and airports and empty rooms. Been stuck here waiting for you. For crying out loud, I'm calling your name. You're wearing me out, but I love you the same. For crying out loud, your heart is a maze. You run in your mouth, but I'm singing your praises. All of your clothes all over the floor. All of it happened in a hurry. Show me the ropes, then you show me the door. Why don't you show me why you're so worried? You're sweating off your makeup, you're running everywhere. What's gonna help you wake up? Won't help you sleep at night. Sometimes I see the future, sometimes I'm not so bright. Sometimes you're looking for a fight. For crying out loud, I'm calling your name. You're wearing me out, but I love you the same. For crying out loud, your heart is a maze. You run in your mouth, but I'm singing your praises. Crying out loud, I'm calling your name. You're wearing me out, but I love you the same. For crying out loud, your heart is a maze. You run in your mouth, but I'm singing your praises. Watch what you say when you're talking.
Okay, so we hope you've enjoyed this week's edition of Radio Carb, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.
Bye.
تحية الضوء براديو كارب.
Radio Carb.
تحية الضوء براديو كارب.
You're listening to Radio Carb.